Hey everybody, so today is a continuation of my color series, and today we're going to be talking about the color orange. At first I didn't think that I had a lot of orange products that I was going to be able to recommend, but as I started going through my products in my drawers and started swatching, I realized that I actually have a lot of them. I had to narrow it down, but I picked out my favorites, and let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So the first product I'm going to talk about is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today, which is this Anastasia Electric Cake Liner, and I'm using the shade Orange. This is so bright and it's so vibrant. It's just such a cool product, and I don't think that there's anything really like it on the market, or at least not that I've come across, or there's not a lot like it. At least, but yeah, I just really like how vibrant it is, and it's pretty easy to use. You just get it wet, and then you use a brush. You can put it in your crease, you can put it on your eyes as a liner, you can use it to draw shapes on your face, whatever you want, but I just really like it. The next product I'm going to be talking about is actually from the Vida palette by Mel Cosmetics. This is from their Amor Eternal collection, and the shade I'm specifically talking about is Soul. There's quite a few like nice oranges and an orangey red in here, but this one is really cool. It's like a pumpkin-y, yellowy orange. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. And that's just one swipe. It's super pigmented and it's super smooth. It's got a really nice formula. I just really like it. So the next product I'm going to be talking about is a shadow from another palette. This is the Divinity palette by Strobe Cosmetics, now Shroud Cosmetics, but it is labeled Strobe Cosmetics. And I just dropped it. But the shade I'm talking about is Aphrodite, which is this one right here in the corner. It's a nice, pretty burnt orange. I just dug my finger into it when I dropped it, so sorry about that. But I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. But as you can see, it's just like a nice burnt orange shade. And again, I just did like a swipe of it. It's a little messy looking right now, but don't mind that. It's, again, a very nice formula, super smooth, super, like, blendable, and I really enjoy the sort of burnt orangeness. The next product I'm going to be talking about is actually a liner, and this is one by ColourPop, this one right here, and it's in the shade Puppy, and the ColourPop eyeliner formula is really nice. It's really smooth, really creamy. I'll go ahead and put a couple of swipes on for you so you can see the color. But it's just like a nice true orange. You do have to be careful with these eyeliners because they are a little bit soft and they can crumble if you're not careful, if you put up too much or if you press too hard, so just be wary of that. But I really like the formula. It ends up really creamy and blendable, but it stays on really well as well. It's one of the only eyeliners that I've found that will actually stay in my waterline. Alright, so now we're moving on to lips. The next color I'm going to be talking about, or the next product I'm going to be talking about, is the lip gloss I'm wearing right now, which is the Switch Wired Vice Lip Chemistry by Urban Decay, and it was released in their recent Wired collection. It is just the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's just like a nice sheer orange, so if you're not super sure about orange, if you just want to add like a little pop of it but not too vibrant, too intense, this is a really good way to go because it just gives like a little bit of an orangey tint to the lips. The next product I'm going to be talking about is actually probably my favorite orange lip. That and the last one I'm going to be talking about, but this is the Ultra Blotted Lip by ColourPop, and it's in the shade Ocean Avenue, and it's just like a sort of soft blurred effect. I'll go ahead and put it on so I can show you. So this is it right here, and as you can see, it's just like a nice soft orange. Again, it's not going to be too pigmented, it's not too intense of an orange, so if you're not super sure about orange in your looks, or your lips, then you can use this one and it's not going to be too intense. The next product I'm going to be talking about is actually this Sugar Pill lip right here, and this is in the shade Teacher's Pet. I think this is such a cool orange lip. I really can't wait to show it to you guys. So that is it on, and I think it's just a nice, pretty, sort of orangey, burnt orange sort of shade, but the really cool thing, I'll go ahead and show you. So if I zoom in and then go, you can see it's got like these gold sparkles in it, and the more you blot your lips, the more of the gold sparkles come through, which is really cool. So you can just leave it as is, but if you blot your lips, then you get like that gold shimmer coming through. It is such a pretty color. I'm not usually a big fan of orange lips, but this one I think that it's just a really pretty color. So the last product I'm going to be talking about is actually a blush, and it is, again, another Fenty cream blush. I know I just talked about them in the last one, but really they have so many amazing colors. But it's the one I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand as well so you can see the true pigment of it. But it's just such a cool orange. It's got like this gold shimmer throughout it, and it's sort of more of a pumpkin-y orange. I'll show it to you here. So it's kind of got like that yellow undertone to it, which I just think is really cool and really unique. So anyways, that's all my favorite orange products, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the products that I talked about. If you want to see me use them in any videos or any looks, just let me know down below. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.